What's the worst that Hi. I didn't realise Oh, it's more complicated than that. Oh, how complicated? We'll discuss it over a drink. Yes.
It's not just me she's accusing. Why do you think the police are up at Zack and Lisa's? You know she's happy to sacrifice the whole family.
Lisa, Bob.
We're making plans for the future. Oh, how can you even pretend anything's going to ever be alright between you after what she's putting you through there? All the time, don't they? Somebody needs to do it. I'll handle it. She's going to twist it. It's my problem. I'll handle it. I swear to God I'm not done with you.
I'm sorry.
It's stuck in your teeth. Gosh, a bloody midget Jim really got on my wick, but I just can't resist them.
I want to hear you say it.
There's strong evidence that Eli's involved in Shane's death. I'm a police officer. I've got responsibilities.
Is it gone?
That man's in prison.
Yeah, go on. Do you want another one?